Should we stay or should we say goodbye? Walk away or give it one more try? You should not even say hold my hand and let's join our hands. If we can say only to part ways in the end.
Gusto mo ba marinig kumanta si Tom Rodriguez? Iwan na muna kita sa kanya. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Tom Rodriguez!
And tell me, why do people have to change?
Grabe, SM City, San Fernando, Pampanga! Grabe kayo lahat ang mahal! Ayun, gusto ko lang po sabihin na para sa taong ito po, 2014, ito po yung pang-buena mano kong show. Sa totoo lang, kinakabahan ako kanina, di ko alam kung sanay pa ba ako, kung marunong pa ako tumanta, hindi. Kinakabahan ako kanina, pero makita ko lang kayo dito lahat. Yung energy nyo lahat, grabe, pinupuno nyo po ako ng saya. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat sa pagpunta ngayong araw na ito. Ano, gusto nyo bang marinig kumanta si... Hindi ko siya palalabas kung hindi mas malakas. Muli, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. At dito po siya, none other than Mr. Dennis Trillo. Hello. Nakasino lahat to. Through the fog, we feel this way. Finding a million things to say. Oh, my dreams, no it's true. So good, never again by my side. Singing the love that's yours. In the moon's eyes, holding on tight, sharing my soul still.
at last I'm lost in the low I'll never know. Now that I found you, so then I wanna love you again. So stay, exploring sugar stone. See the wheels go rolling. There's so much of you that I don't know. May not last forever. So when soon you just can't let it go. I've had enough of being on my own. Emptiness and waking up alone. Morning finds you lying here, smiling, saying alone. Oh, that's why it's you and I. So stay,
Mabel, this is for you. Mabel.
there's so much of you I don't know.
Mabel, Jabeng, this is for you. Sigaw ka.
So let's just can't let it go. We just can't let it go. Maraming salamat po mga be. Thank you very much. Thank you guys.
We've come so far to leave it all behind. I wonder why.
Words can say, please stay. You and we have always left to share. You and
Grabe, walang biro, di pa rin ako mapaniwala ko ngayon.
Oo nga eh, sarap ng pakiramdam. Sobrang sarap. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Magkita-kita po tayo dito mamaya para sa picture taking at photograph signing.
Salamat po kami dito mga
Thank
kaya.
you. Salamat po.
Pero sa totoo lang, kayo lahat na nandito ngayon, binuo nyo na yung buong 2014 namin. Thank you, wow.
Thank you. Kita-kita tayo mamaya. Maraming salamat po. Thank
Love you guys!
Alright, once again, palapakan natin Tom Rodriguez!
We can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms.